Morning pros, this is Walid Al Sayed. We have a video today where I'm going to do an offer and we're going to take a page out from our operations manual. This is as a result of working with a buyer and lead generating. I acquired this. This is a person who has sold already and now they're looking to purchase. I found this person by door knocking. So here we are. We're going to put in an offer. You'll be happy to know this is someone that I've trained well. They are going to be putting an offer at 95% of asking. And this is because I have taught them that this is what the sales are in the area. So, and this is, by the way, for a property that we have yet to see. Doesn't always work that way, and it's a blessing whenever it happens. So I'm logged into the Mississauga, the Ortis board right now, and looking for the listing. Let me see here. How do I get this listing? Gonna pause. Here's the listing. Again, we have not yet seen this place and we are going to be putting an offer on it. So I'm going into my Webforms and here are my instructions. So I already have buyer's documents, so I'm not going to be putting these. I'll be putting these ones here, offer. So we're going to put offer, then the address 6797 Ali thus. Alright, good. Blank transaction kit, create transaction kit. Oh, hold on a second. Let's add the MLS number. See if it gets picked up. Didn't get picked up because it's not on the board. Alright, add forms. So, we're going to add Form 801. Added. Next form, 320, confirmation of cooperation. Added. Next form, this is a freehold, so we're going to use Form 100. Again, we need to become like a machine here and pump these out like a factory. No rental. Here are the common clauses. So I'm done. Gonna go here and fill this in real quick. Now as I'm preparing the offer, I'm scrolling down, I see here that they're cooperating at 2%. I'll be paging the listing agent and I'll ask them if they would be willing to cooperate at 2.5%. And I'll send the confirmation of cooperation first, have that signed, and then send in the offer afterwards. So that's a call I'm going to make now while I'm preparing the offer. So I've put in all of the particulars. So I have buyer, seller's name. Much of it is just copy paste. I go to the listing. You can see here I've copied the inclusions also from the listing. Buyer's name, seller's name. We put the offer amount. We put the deposit. Put the listing brokerage in trust. Schedule A and B. I downloaded Schedule B from the attachments on the MLS listing. And put in the closing date. Here again, I just copied it right from the listing. Here we go. You can see it highlighted for chattels. Now remember, imagine this. Chattels is, if you were to be able to hypothetically pick up the house and shake it, the chattels, such as the washer and dryer, the dishwasher, the stove and fridge, they would fall out. So we would pick those up and include them back with the sale. On the other hand, with fixtures such as chandeliers and lights that are attached by a chain or a string, if you were to shake the house, the chandelier would stay included. It comes with the house. So we would have to specify it and list it if we want to exclude it. And sometimes you find that with like a dining room chandelier or some sort of, I don't know, window coverings. So be specific, and it's good here to be overkill and specify it anyway. Sometimes here I'll even put in a built-in dishwasher. Although it can be argued that a dishwasher, because it's built in, is considered a fixture. I'll write it in here in the chattels to make sure that it's extra clear. And as you know, we believe that clarity is power. Rental items, hot water tank, if rental. HST included in price, that's for a resale. For pre-construction, it would be in addition to, and it would be even different forms. Included in. So here, title search is 1 or 2 weeks prior to closing. So I have closing here for October 31st. So title search is about 2 weeks prior to that. Single family residence. Now this is the part we want to spend time on. Schedule A. So there are the common clauses. We're going to go back to our cheat sheet. Here are the common clauses. And in the description you can find a link for written instructions about this and how to be able to download this. So ask me for that. So we are going to put the common clauses. Insert clause. Clause library. Let it load. Deposit pay. Add that. Done. You can see it added. Next one is the mortgage condition. Now the mortgage condition, I actually have it in here. We're not going to be putting one in. Next one is inspection condition. I'm just going to be putting it in verbatim. There's the mortgage condition. Now, whenever you're not putting a mortgage condition, a good practice is to write it in, cross it out, and have your buyer initial. That way you protect yourself to say that you advise the client that, okay, we put in a mortgage condition, and you show the act that you spoke about it with your client, and then you've crossed out that condition and you had your buyer initial. And this is a good best practice for us as realtors to show that the conversation was made about the pros and cons of including and excluding the mortgage condition. Now, I am comfortable enough with this client of mine. He's a repeat client. I choose not to waste the space to write in the mortgage condition and cross it out. I'm just not having it in here. Buyer has the right to revisit. Put that in here. Clean broom swept condition. And then another condition I like here is the chattels in good working order. So chattels 02. So again, we're going to go to insert clauses. Clause library. Chat. And you'll start to memorize these after using them over and over. Add. I'm going to see this increment. Add to form. There we go. Insert. We previously inserted clauses and now the one that we just added. We'll go back to Schedule A. Now this is going to be an unusual clause I'm going to add. I'm not going to show it to you to minimize confusion. Now that that's done, I'm also going to attach Schedule B. Select Files. Desktop. No, not here. Where did I put it? Okay, I found the file. Here we go. So I'm going to add that. So we have our web forms as well as an attachment. Okay, now I'm going to send this to DocuSign for signing. I log in. And then we'll send all of these to DocuSign. So then check the next video. That one will be how to use DocuSign. Thanks for watching. This is Walid El Sayed. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Check the description again for written step-by-step instructions on this video. So this is again Walid El Sayed signing off, reminding us all to have a productive day.